Hello, you're watching ERi-TV and welcome to English News Broadcast. These are the top stories. 3 patients diagnosed positive for COVID-19 and tests carried out today. Effort being exerted to revive endangered indigenous tree species in the Ansaba region. Philippine capital in new lockdown as the Delta variant spreads. And at least 26 Chadian troops killed in an attack in the Lake Chad region. The local news. 3 patients have been diagnosed positive for COVID-19 and tests carried out today at quarantine centers in the Central region. On the other hand, 3 patients who will be receiving medical treatment in hospitals in the Central region have fully recovered and have been discharged from these facilities. The total number of recovered patients has currently risen to 6,487, while the number of deaths stands at 35. And the total number of confirmed cases in the country to date has increased to 6,576. Minister of Health, Asmara, August 6, 2021. Commendable effort aimed at reviving endangered indigenous tree species as well as prevention of invasive tree species is being exerted in the Ansaba region. According to Mr. Casetatas Fation, head of Forestry and Wildlife Authority in the region, 55 of those that are categorized as endangered tree species nationwide are found in the Ansaba region, and that nurseries are engaged in the reproduction of the endangered tree species as well as raising the awareness of the society. Stating thus far, olives, bush fig, fir, and sea camaro or African rock fig are among the endangered indigenous tree species. Mr. Caseta said effort is being exerted to protect the trees from extinction through concerted measures, including reserving the area suitable for the trees and preventing deforestation activities, among others. Mr. Caseta also said measures are being taken against invasive tree species. He finally said the Ansaba Region Forestry and Wildlife Authority is exerting capacity-level effort to prevent deforestation activities and called on the public to strengthen conservation. The Nursery and Hagas Technical and Agricultural Schools playing significant role in the successful implementation of forestation activities being conducted in the Ansaba region. Speaking to ERINA, the head of the school, Brother Isaias Agay, said the nursery, beyond providing as a laboratory for students, is preparing various trees, including orange, avocado, guava, mandarin, coffee beans, among others. However, the indigenous trees that are the nurseries prepared do not have as much demand by the public that the effort exerted to reproduce them is limited. The nursery in Hagas Technical and Agricultural School prepares and distributes tree seedlings to the Ansaba region and other areas, including Al Ordet, Ad Takhlezan, Ad Dizar'u, Dekzar'u, Fishe Mrara, Ginda Trona, Mai Aini, and Asmara. And now back with international news after a short break. Welcome back. More than 24 million people in Metro Manila and surrounding provinces are in varying levels of lockdown as the Delta variant spreads. The Philippine capital and several nearby provinces have headed back into a strict lockdown in a bid to curb the spread of the Delta variant just hours after people scrambled desperately for vaccines at several COVID-19 vaccination sites, raising concerns about a stampede. The movement restrictions were reimposed just after midnight lock time across Metro Manila today, which is about 13 million people. The nearby province of Laguan, which has a population of 3.3 million, was also included in the order, as well as the cities of Ilion and Canaguia de Oro in the central and southern Philippines, respectively. This is according to presidential spokesman Harry Roque. 24 Chadian soldiers were killed in an attack by militant fighters in the troubled Lake Chad region. This according to a senior local official. Army spokesman General Azam Bermoda confirmed that an attack had taken place at Chichioco Ilia, an island 190 kilometers northwest of the capital in Jaminam, but refused to give any toll. Troops from 3 army sectors have joined the soldiers who came under attack yesterday. Lake Chad is a vast area of water and marshland bordered by Niger, Nigeria, and Cameroon, as well as Chad. Jihadists from Boko Haram and rival splinter group, the Islamic State West African province, have been using the region for years as a haven from which to attack troops and civilians. And now a reminder of the top stories. 3 patients diagnosed positive for COVID-19 and tests carried out today. Effort being exerted to revive endangered indigenous tree species in the Ansaba region. The Philippine capital in new lockdown as the Delta variant spreads. And at least 26 Chadian troops killed in an attack in the Lake Chad region. That's for today. Thanks for watching.